smell like you do. Get your pants.
Okay, so we're gonna do this again. I already filmed one update video, and I held my camera horizontal because, you know, vertically normally like does it up and down. Well, apparently the app that I'm using, if you do it horizontally, it changes it vertically up and down and sideways to the wrong side. So I'm not gonna upload that. So you're gonna miss the dogs playing outside and going pee. But I can still update you. It is the 13th of December. I am only on Vlogmas day 8. So I'm playing catch up. The reason for this video and the reason I am behind is because my van broke, which meant a lot of the videos that I had planned to do, I couldn't do because I didn't have a car. I had to put the kids on the bus. My car is getting fixed today. I had to wait for my part to come in, everything, so I got behind. There's only so much I can do at the house that, you know, it's like Christmassy. Like, I wanted to do, like, some Christmas stuff. I didn't want to keep it all cleaning, you know, like, blah. And then after that, Samson got the flu. Running fever of 104.9, 104.6, blah, 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 blah. Brings us to today. He is better. He hasn't had to have any medicine today. His fever isn't high, nothing, whatever. Also, I'm filming on my phone, so bear with me. I'm not used to filming on my phone. I know I keep looking at myself instead of you guys, and I'm very sorry about that. Third thing to happen, Xander is now sick with the flu. We can't catch a break. We leave for our trip to California the 27th of December. We can't afford anybody else getting sick. What are we gonna? We can't fly on a plane with everyone having the flu. So, look forward to those videos, cross-country videos with the kids. It's gonna be fun. I'm gonna have packing videos coming up. But anyways, back to show you, I am planning on getting caught up. Here's my video list of the videos that I'm going to be doing. Since you haven't seen the kids in a minute, I'm going to show you Samson and Xander. They're both on the couch. Gabriel's at school. Oh, and then I have a story to tell you really quickly what happened this morning when Gabriel was getting on the bus. Xander is passed out and asleep. Sorry for the noise. Samson's watching TV. Samson is right there. Got these babies following me around everywhere. Okay. Story time for this morning. I go outside every morning with the kids to get on the bus. It was just Gabriel this morning. We're standing on the front porch. I have a bag of trash on the front porch ready to take to the trash can. Okay. We're sitting there under a blanket because it's cold here in the mornings. We've got a heater going outside. I see the bus lights. I said, Gabriel, bus is coming. Put your phone up. Let's go. So he runs down. I'm going to go outside to show you where I was at this morning. Go. He's running down because the bus stops at the end of our driveway. Right? Okay. I'm going to show you where that's at. Okay. The bus literally stops right down there. End of the driveway, that's where the bus stops. I am about where that tree stump is. That's where I am at. So I'm at the tree stump with a bag of trash in my hands. The bus rolls up, doesn't turn her lights on, doesn't put out the sign, doesn't do anything. She sits there for a minute and Gabriel is standing there. And he's waiting for her to put his thing up. Well, she doesn't. So he walks into the road. He is getting in trouble for that as soon as I see him after school today. But he walks into the road. She starts driving off. And, like, I start screaming. And I'm like, what the hell? Like, she wasn't even like, looking. She's like, oh, it's dark. I can't see a kid. Just gonna drive off. Like, there's no lights there. So, how many other kids have gotten left because the bus driver just doesn't see them? And in my opinion, that's the bus driver's fault, not the kids' fault, because we live on an old highway, so there's no street lights on this road. So, you know, like, what are you supposed to do? Like, luckily, like, I'm there, so if, like, they ever miss the bus, like, I don't work, like, I work from home, so they could come back inside, and then I could take them to school or whatever. But the point is she wasn't even looking. She just pulled up, didn't see anybody, and started to drive off, and my kid is standing half in our driveway and half in the road. I was so pissed off. But anyways, enough of that. Show you the girls real quick. They're my babies. My babies. Yes, I want my babies. Yes. But anyways, this video was not a video for story time. That's just something that happened today. It was mainly just, like I said, I needed to update you guys, let you know why I'm behind, and I am getting called up. You are getting this video today, which is an update video, which wasn't really what I wanted to do for a Vlogmas video. But life happens, and that's another point of this. And just this channel in general is life. Life is messy. Life is not always clean. It is what it is. You have to run with the cards that's dealt to you each and every day. So, with that being said, if you like these videos, not necessarily this one, but any other video on this channel, I would love, sorry, I keep looking to see if the guy's back with my car, because I want my car. If you like any of these videos, please give us a like on them. It really helps out these videos. Also, leave me a comment. I really like talking to you. One of the reasons I started this channel was to make friends with other people that I would never normally meet or talk to or anything. I just want to meet other people. The second main reason was to get my shit together, because just don't care sometimes. I get in a depressed mood and just, I don't care. But don't forget to subscribe if you like this video, which is kind of random, but if you like it, subscribe. If not, check out some of the other videos and see if you want to subscribe to me then, because I would love to have you. But I will see you in the next video, and again, I'm so sorry that I am behind. I will catch up. Ow, she bit me. I will catch up with you guys, but I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Goodbye.